Oh, Kali, to explain Kali how beautiful you look with your glasses, Kali. Kali, look at high class people. Look at them. Kali, the Kali is so high class. I like your glasses, Kali. Kali, your glasses, Mister. Very nice, very Chinese. Kali. Look at the ball, 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 look at the ball. The glasses of you are little crooked, Kali. So I'm gonna fix glasses of you, okay? Mr. Chinese. Kali, Kali, Kali. Okay, don't look at me. Mr. Kali. What do you think about your glasses, Kali? Do you like the glasses of you, Mr. Beauty? Oh, this is so nice. Ah, those glasses belong to the father of you. Hey, Kali. Kali. Look at my paw. Look at my paws. Look at my paws. Paws, paws, paws. Stevie! Look at Kelly, his glasses. Very high class cat, did they? Look at Stevie. Stevie. Hefty. Hi, Hefty. Thank you, Stinky. Kelly. Very comfortable he looks, the monkey. With glasses. Take them off. Oh, thank you. Okay, here. Give me them. Here. Very nice. Should we Stevie wear them? Stevie? Stevie? Hefty. Now it's you, Hefty.